Uses essential oil meditation for loving kindness as a healing heart meditation to strengthen love and connection and to cultivate forgiveness. The Loving Kindness Metta meditation for beginners is useful to start or stay consistent with a daily meditation practice and can also be used to balance pitta dosha. We'll talk about more of this in a moment, or it can be used as a Savasana meditation. I'm Krista with Flourish Yoga, your wellness lifestyle coach using Ayurveda and Essential Oils, sharing simple wellness and healthy daily habits for Ayurvedic self-care. So we're recording this YouTube guided meditation video as part of the Ayurvedic Tips for Summer series, but it can be used all year long. Our heart meditation is helpful for balancing your fire element and pitta dosha, but this can come out of balance anytime throughout the year. The Loving Kindness meditation is often called the Metta meditation. So what does Metta mean in English? Metta is a Buddhist term for kindness. The full definition includes loving kindness, friendship, goodwill, compassion for all things, and nonviolence. Metta embodies the idea of pure compassion without expectations or judgment. So what is the Metta prayer? The Buddhist meditation tradition using the Metta phrases has been used for a long time and has been recently made more popular by Jon Kabat-Zinn. So what is a loving kindness meditation used for? It can be a daily heart meditation, or use this when you are in conflict with someone, when those thoughts keep racing or keeping you up at night. This is a powerful tool to use for forgiveness towards yourself and others. So to amplify the effects of your intention or for a deeper meditation experience, use one of the essential oils for love and connection or an essential oil for forgiveness with this loving kindness guided meditation. I've created a guide with my favorite essential oils meditation, and the link to receive that is in the description and the comments. A couple of my favorite oils to use with this loving kindness meditation though are the doTERRA Rose essential oil is beautiful, comes in a touch format or the pure oil. And the geranium essential oil is another lovely one for this one, and the bergamot and the aligned doTERRA blend is lovely for this. So you can check out, I have a video on essential oils for loving kindness meditation for more details on the oils and to help you know which one to choose for you on any particular day. So today I'm going to use the aligned doTERRA blend with this meditation. The aligned blend contains marjoram, bergamot, geranium, and rose. So a few of the oils we're going to talk about in this companion video. But for now, just use your intuition to choose an oil for you to use today. And then place a drop of that oil on the palm of your hand. Take a few deep breaths. Lovely. And then apply that to your heart chakra for this essential oil meditation for loving kindness. I love just that topical area will help to get us into that intention, help to set that intention. All right, sitting up tall, just begin to focus on your heart center, that place in the center of your ribs. Just breathing in and out from that area, as if you are breathing from your heart. And as you breathe in and out from your heart center, begin by generating a kind feeling towards yourself. Notice and feel any areas that block this feeling of peace from spreading through your body, either mentally or physically. And then drop beneath that to the place where you can care for yourself, where we want strength and health and safety for ourselves. Just continue to breathe in and out, and say or think these phrases several times. May I be safe. May I be happy just as I am. May I be peaceful with whatever is happening. May I be healthy and strong. May I be able to live in this world happily, peacefully, joyfully, and with ease. Next, think about someone that you respect, a mentor, parent, teacher, elder, and repeat these phrases for them. May they be safe. May they be happy just as they are. May they be peaceful whatever is happening. May they be healthy and strong. May they live in this world happily, peacefully, joyfully, and with ease. After feeling this unconditional love for one that you respect and admire, next think about someone who is a dear friend and repeat the phrases for them, remembering to breathe in and out of your heart center. May they be safe. May they be happy just as they are. May they be peaceful with whatever is happening. May they be healthy and strong. May they live in this world happily, peacefully, joyfully, and with ease. And now move on to a neutral person, or someone for whom you neither feel strong like nor dislike. As you repeat the phrases, just allow yourself to feel tenderness towards them. May they be safe. May they be happy just as they are. May they be peaceful with whatever is happening. May they be healthy and strong. And may they live in this world happily, peacefully, joyfully, and with ease. And now move on to someone that you have difficulty with, or have hostile feelings or resentments towards. And repeat the phrases for that person. And if you have difficulty doing this, you can say just before you repeat the phrases, to the best of my ability, I wish that you be. And if at any time you begin to feel ill will towards this person, just return to thinking of your benefactor, someone you admire, and let the loving kindness arise again. And then you can return again to this person. To the best of my ability, I wish that you be safe. To the best of my ability, I wish that you be happy, just as you are. To the best of my ability, I wish that you be peaceful with whatever is happening. To the best of my ability, I wish that you are healthy and strong. To the best of my ability, I wish that you live in this world happily, peacefully, joyfully, and with ease. Let the phrases spread throughout your whole body, mind, and heart. This difficult person, think again and radiate loving kindness out to all things, staying in touch with that ember of warm, tender, loving kindness at the center of your being. And begin to visualize or enter a felt sense for all living beings. May all beings in the air, on land, safe, happy, healthy, and free from all suffering. Simply breathe in and out naturally. Just notice how you feel in your body. Do you feel peaceful, calm, content? Or did this stir up other emotions for you? No judgment, any reaction is natural. And I'd love to hear how you feel after this meditation. Just drop a quick comment below if this was helpful, or if it stirred up feelings. That's a good indication to make this part of your daily meditation practice as you clear away those stuck feelings. So the Loving Kindness Meditation script is included along with a list of essential oils for loving connection, for a deep meditation experience on my website. So the link for the blog post is in the description, along with the link to download that Essential Oils for Meditation guide. I have a few suggestions on oils to help clear these stuck feelings and emotions, and so you can check that out in the companion video to this one. This Loving Kindness Metta meditation for beginners is useful both to start or stay consistent with your daily meditation practice. Doing the same thing day after day is super helpful for that. It can also be used to balance your pitta dosha when those feelings of irritability and anger arise. So keep it in your back pocket for when you need it for that one. So it's been recorded as part of the Ayurvedic Tips for Summer series. So click on the subscribe button to get the next video in that series for how to keep your cool in the summer. And check out the playlist for more Ayurvedic tips, Ayurvedic self-care, rituals, and essential oil meditations. Namaste.